Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to quickly react on a video. In fact, I did not even plan to react on this video, but I watched Very Dark Man, okay, moving from place to place in the north, just because he want to present it for people to know what happened or what is going on in the north. And there's a bomb blast in 3 different locations in Meduguri, and I think another one happened in Borno State. This is a kind of daily activities for northerners. The picture we are seeing here is northern people, northern youth, powered by the elite, the politicians and the leaders and the elders, simply because they want to show that they can, instigate problem, protesting against the buying of Ayatollah, the Iranian supreme leader. They are not happy with it, right? The flag marching and everything. This is not something that happened today. We know, we have seen it. But do you know what? After the bomb blast in the north, nobody's protesting. In fact, they are not even talking about it. They are just like it is normal thing. Nobody's protesting, nobody's saying anything at all. You see, when Mazamakan was crying out, kind of waking people up, not crying out like shady tears, but he was lamenting, telling people they are coming. People don't understand it. And those who understood it well are PM Samanekpa and, of course, with genuine Biafrans that later went to Finland to redeclare Biafra. That is the only lifeline you have today. A lot is yet to come. So many things are yet to come. What you are seeing now is just a preamble. Some may call you names. You guys want to divide the country. This beautiful country, there's a strength in diversity. There's one strength in diversity. No problem. But as now, most na-amara ụzọ akpụ ya na-egbe anyị n'ọdụdụ ọkpụsọ ikpu ogene ọbụna ọmara akpọ ogene ya na egbe anyị n'ọdụdụ. You need to understand what happened to other places like Lebanon, Turkey, Syria, and let's go on. That a country that once a Christian country that later convert to Islam, you cannot just play with fire. If you do, you live to regret it. Some people don't understand that it is not about anybody, but it's about being realistic. To you now, everything is just normal thing, Mazda kind of deserves to be where he is now, like some of them are saying. He deserves to be there. Just buy him, show him this, show him that. The question is, what is your plan in the next 10 years? I said 10 years. In the next 2 years, 10 years is too far for that thing that you're afraid of to happen. It's coming. It's not a prayer. Neither am I predicting something, but I'm telling you what, that one is darling. It must happen. It must happen. Now, Yoruba people are basically focusing on Tinubu being re-elected. Personally, from me, Kai report here, I want you to understand that my prayer is that Tinubu should retain office. It should continue. Tinubu should need to continue. Why? Because if Tinubu did not continue, so it may delay this freedom. It may delay it. People that are incompetent need to continue, so that Biafrans will be free, so that other part of Nigerian that want to be free will be free. Not every Yoruba want to remain in Nigeria. Some are even clapping for APC, knowing for a fact that is not going to give them final freedom. But they have to continue supporting APC because they are just seeking for daily bread. Matakan once said that a poor man cannot fight for freedom. Poor people don't fight for freedom. That is another quote that Matakan released that people need to also pay close attention on, because you need to see, you need to know what Matakan said about freedom and about people fighting for freedom, because they will end up betraying you. You cannot trust them. There's no way you will trust them. They are meant to be. They are meant to, to betray you, which you have to do all you can to avoid it. And avoiding it is just being realistic and make sure that you don't allow a poor man to be your leader. If you do, you are going to regret it. Today, Biafrans have declared their freedom. And that is the only thing that is saving our people. Some of us are still hoping, no, we have not done anything. No, that thing that happened in Finland. No. I know go agree. I know go agree. As we are doing, I know go agree. Fulanis are happy about it, waiting to utilize that opportunity to teach you a lesson. That is why they have made up their mind to conquer without looking back. They can protest for the death of a Iranian leader, matching American flag and Israeli flag, but they are contented when their brother are being slaughtered in bomb blasts in different locations in their region. They don't see that as a problem. If you are one of Igbo people who are actually busy calling Biafran's name, bragging this and saying that, thinking that people are not taking note of what you are doing, you need to check your brain. If not that Biafran has come, declare their name, their nation, declare their stand, by now, someone like me, I will be panicking. My joy is that those things that are going to happen eventually, it may not hit us the way it would have hit us, simply because we have declared our stand. And that stand needs to be protected and maintained. If not, you live to regret it. No northern leaders are making any statement on the bomb blast, anything. In fact, they love it when it happened. They're willing to even sacrifice their own to make sure that they make a statement that they are coming. Yorubas are not doing much about it. Their focus is on how to build politics, how to massage it and remain in power, at least ahead of Igbos. That gladdens their heart. If any challenges comes, they will start looking for political solution. I am not here to go deeper because I will come live today to discuss something about what is going on. I'm not going to tell you the title or what, but we are going to come back later. Keep your eyes on the channels, our main channel, Sky Report, at let me say 2 to 3 p.m. different time. I will come live by then, and we have to talk about something very, very important. This is no longer the time for you to say, oh, if you're not talking about Biafra, about our declaration, about Biafra movement, I'm not going to watch the video. You need to watch it so that you equip yourself with knowledge and wisdom. I'm not teaching you, but we have to come together to discuss and learn from each other. I'm not saying that I'm your lecturer. No, most of you are well grounded. But it is good to discuss some things that you know that you may not even remember as you speak. Discussing it will even help you to remember and to encourage you to do the needful by funding the government that you must protect your land. Some Igbo are doing what is doing now. Like I said, we are going to come back later. We have a lot to touch. I just hope that I have the strength to go that route because we have to do it. We have to do it. Now, speaking of the bomb blast in the north, like I said, northern elites and the politicians, they are able to organize and fund their children to march on the streets, protesting against Ndibo. Okay? Because to them, they are protesting against Igbo people. But they say America and Israel, marching on their flags. To them, that is a good thing to do. In fact, that is the only thing they know how to do. In fact, they cannot do another thing apart from that. They believe that this is the only way to show their grievances and remain relevance by threatening how to fight people, how to do this and that. When things happen in their region, they don't protest. they encourage their children to hide. And most of these children are potential victims of the what is yet to come. Do they care? No, they don't care. Today, we are hearing that Shetima, the vice president of Nigeria, that the man himself, is mourning. He's mourning the people that died in bomb blasts. That he's mourning. Really? Now, let's go to this is from Sahara Reporter. As you can see, 2 hours ago, as of the time of recording video, Shetima is mourning, isn't it? May Allah vanish terrorists from surface of earth. VPM Shetima mourns victim of Borno bombing. You want me to tell you what I'm thinking? I'm not gonna tell you anything because the same thing that you are not in your mind now, that's exactly what I'm feeling. For genuine heart, for pure heart, people with clean heart. That thing that you, after reading this, let me read it again. The prayer of Vice President of Nigeria, in name of mourning, the death of people who died in act of terrorism. May Allah vanish terrorists from surface of earth. VP Vice President Shetima mourns victims of Borno bombing. All right, this man have history of harboring Ndogbenegbenabia. In case if you don't know, because Borno State is his state. He's from Borno State. Allegedly, I'm not from North. I don't know. I was told that he's from Borno State, and the Borno is where Boko Haram started from day one. It happened that there was a time those Boko Haram members take, this man somehow shield them. Allegedly. Okay? Now, many people have asked this question, why? Why are they not talking? Nothing else, these northern politicians kept quiet. Why are they not doing this? Why are they not doing that? Are you expecting them to do anything? In all sincerity, are you actually expecting them to do something? Knowing fully well that this is what they want. They told you that the aim and objective of every average Muslims or Muslim people is to conquer everybody. They want to push Sharia. What is Sharia? That even as some dog, bread don't milk. He's bragging that his name is Majid. I said it was not Mashud. I don't know what nonsense he's talking about. That he represents jihad. What is jihad if not terrorism? Jihad is the example of jihad is terrorism. This is something that people need to understand. It is not a rocket science. It is not a rocket science, my people, to understand that these guys are doing what they're doing deliberately. In fact, let me see what people said about him. Okay? He said, you, Nigerians, especially the northern, do you want the insecurity to come to an end? Okay. Ask your leaders which are governors, senators, House of Reps, and local rulers. Yes, ask these people ask them because they are the one who opened door and still they are the one that can close it. And a poetic voice said, Allah never created them. Okay? He has no business with them. It was created by human. Let the humans deal with it and leave God out of it. Uche said, prayer for the living, that if is Allah's will, terrorists will vanish. VP sent his condolence from afar. He is the only one at home, probably with a domestic head bio. I don't know that. Service chief has been ordered to leave has been ordered to leave last posting with not much success to Bruno. The rehabilitated beat back. He said the rehabilitated bite back bump. Castro, Nigeria, say you have suddenly handed the job of the military to Allah. You have not forgotten. You said Tinubu will handle the economy and you will lead the army into Sambisa forest to end Boko Haram, Rice Republic of Nigeria. This is what the man quoted during the campaign. Okay, the only way is Biafran declared. You need to take. I'm not saying it to make you happy, but that's what it is. By you doing what's supposed to do to make sure that because without it, you are gone. I'm telling you, there's no truth about it. The Yorubas know this, and why it's difficult for them because their siblings are also Muslim. A lot of Muslim people are in Yoruba land. A lot of them have, married. They have intermarried relationship with these bandit sympathizers and bandit creators. That's why Yoruba land is something else. I'm going to leave it here. Let me know what you think about all of this because so far, I just want to call your attention to what is going on. They can do this, ignore what is trending, what is going on in the region, simply because they want you to suffer. They actually want you to see me. Do not fall to that. Do not fall to that. A lot is yet to come. And I'm going to leave it here. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. See you again. Bye-bye for now. God bless you.